Hey yo, welcome back to Michigander Outdoors. Today we are on goddamn bees now. Mosquito. Oh, I hate bees. Alright, welcome back to Michigander Outdoors. Today we are going with the same theme of doing something different, so it's not really the same. It's been a while since I've taken the kayak out. If you watched my other videos of me wading through a creek and exploring, well, I got to a spot where it was impenetrable. That's what she said. So the other day, I was out here and I was walking around from the other side and I saw this lake that it runs into, and the water's high. Normally it's super shallow, so it's enough that I can get into the creek from the other side. So we are gonna go see if we can find some of those pike and smallmouth, see where they went. So wish me luck. That's what we need to be going after. Or not, because I don't have a spot. Let's walk through all this goose shit, get into these beds, and get on the road. Or the water. Yeah, cool. This bag is gonna get nasty. This is a lot clearer than I thought after all the rain we've had. All kinds of ducks back here. That's cool. Big ass carp and like whatever this is. We should probably slow down, take in. All right. Come on. Come on. I guess we're stuck. First. Alright, now we are just walking the kayak. I should have put in over here, that was stupid. Saved me. I probably should have came out here the other day when I said I should come out here. Oh, that's deep. Because the water's going down. Okay. And we're back in the saddle again. Well, we've come to a fork in the road. I walked that one before, and it, I think, has a lot of fall downs. I don't know if we can get into this one. So we are gonna try. I don't know. What should we do? Which way should we take? Let's try this one. Living on the, I don't want to get too close to that. Okay. Don't get stuck. God damn it. Alright, let's go the other way. I feel like if I spook something, then I'll know I should start fishing, because this is the first time I've seen this creek this deep. Oh shit. Normally you can walk right through it. Oof. What do we got here? I should bring my, oh, there's a little smallie. God damn it. Oh, what do we got? Oh shit. Oh. Oh, that's a fucking big one. Oh, shit. Don't, come on. Oh, shit. Look at that. Perfect hook set. Now that is worthwhile. Shit. That is a hog. For here. I mean, awesome. And he gone. Let's try her again. I don't think color really matters back here because these fish probably haven't seen any of this action. Fishing pressure. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not standing up like it's supposed to. That's what she said. Oh, what is that? That's a little pike. Well, shit, if we got little pike, shouldn't there be big pike? Who would have thunk all this? Well, I think this is the end of the road. Shit. I could throw it in here. Fucker. Oh, come on. If you were fishing here, how would you get into all that without getting stuck? What would you use? Because everything I've thrown in there so far, even a weedless jig, I know a spoon, yeah, not even gonna try it. My Sakoshi. Come on. I bet there's a fish in there. Full send. Whatever is there. I'm glad I did this. It's a good idea, Cal. People say there's perch in here. People say that we need to stop right here and throw under that tree. That's what people gonna say. I think we might be at the end of our road soon. Why is this trucking funky? Got one on here? Don't think there is a way around that.